Question number 12. Okay. Container X contains 1 mole of ideal gas. Ideal gas. What is ideal gas? It means you can apply ideal gas equation. PV equal to nRT. Okay. So PV equal to nRT can be applied. Now what is given here? Nx is equal to 1. Then Y contains 2 moles. Ny is equal to 2. And then Y has 4 times the volume of X. So Vy should be equal to 4 times volume of X. Pressure in X is twice that of Y. Pressure in X is equal to 2 times that of pressure Y. Okay, everything is given. Tx by Ty is equal to what? Okay, Tx by Ty is equal to what? So that's what we need to do. So what we do is, first let us take Px Vx divided by Py Vy is equal to Nx by Ny into Rtx divided by Rty. Right? So therefore this R and R goes away over here. Now what is Px? Px equal to 2 times Py. We will keep one of them to be constant, the rest one can be varied. So let us take Px equal to 2Py multiplied by Vx. Vx I will just, what is Vx over here? Vx is Vy by 4. Vy by 4 divided by Py and Vy. I will just retain it like this over here is equal to, and what is Nx? Nx is 1 and Ny is 2, and this is Tx by Ty, right? So therefore Py, Vy goes away. So you get 2 ones are 2 2s are over here. So you get half is equal to half into Tx by Ty over here. Okay. So in other words, this half and this half goes away. So Tx by Ty will be equal to 1. So the answer is, okay. Let us move on to the next.